This is day number 7 where we are going to get stronger tendon. So the first initial phase that we're going through is daily isometric loads where we're going to do 3 sets of 30 seconds twice a day. And that is the protocol. That is something that I've been doing now for already 7 days. And I feel like my tendon are getting better, especially around the knees. So I'm doing wall sits, I'm doing holds on the table, like pushing the table up for my bicep tendon, and I'm doing heel drags on the floor in order to get stronger hamstrings tendon. So I'm going for 3 tendon strengthening exercises so I can get 3 birds with 1 stone. Well, actually 3 birds with 3 stones, but whatever. As I said in the previous video, the main advantage of isometric work is that you can use something that has infinite resistance, like the floor, like a wall. If you do a wall sit, you use the wall as infinite resistance because otherwise you just fall through the wall, and you use that to load your tendon. And I must say, doing this one like twice a day for every single day, this one gets me the most. Like that tension on the knee tendon, it messes with my mind. I'm getting so anxious as that pressure gets on my tendon. And maybe that's because I've always thought, yeah, pressure on the knees is bad and my knees are going to explode out of the flesh. And maybe in my mind, I created like some sort of scenario that pressure on the knee is bad. While that is not necessarily the case, and having this nice isometric load on the tendon, I feel like my knees feel a little bit smoother. This is only week 1, but I already feel that everything feels a lot smoother now already. For the bicep, I still have a little bit more pain when I turn my wrist outwards. That still gives it some like stinging pain in my bicep, but overall, whenever I do the isometric hold, I feel like that tendon really gets some blood flowing and really starts to loosen up after the exercise. So that's going well. And then I have the hamstring thingy. It's also in the same ballpark as the biceps. Now, as it comes to the exercises, I love these exercises that I'm doing because you can do them literally everywhere. And when I'm at work during the work week, I can do them like at my desk. Like I put my chair beside and I just do some wall sits, or I can push on my desk to get that bicep going. The one that's a little bit more tricky is the hamstrings, but that I do at home just before I go to work, and then I'm also good. And then in the evening, I just do everything at home. Now, today it's a training day, it's Sunday. I used my Freak Athlete leg extension, and I find that this gives me also the same amount of load. So with 25 and 35 kilograms, just pushing my knees out just a little bit and then holding that is also a very good metric, because then you actually have some kilograms that you can set next to that. I like the combination of both. It's just the first time that I've done them on the machine, and I actually like it. It's a very good gauge to see if you're really progressing, and also you can't cheat if you have the weight just like hovering and you need to continue to keep that hovering. You are in constant tension, where if you press, and I can even use this, if I press up, if I just let it go for a minute or for a second, yeah, I won't register that because this thing won't move and I have to push constantly. And if I just let the tension go, that constant tension on that tendon is gone. Where if I'm holding the weight, well, I know if the weight goes down, the tension is gone. So it's a better gauge, but it's more difficult to do on a daily basis. So yeah, I would suggest do them both. Use the machines whenever you can, and maybe just do the free floating stuff like the wall sits or the bicep curls on places when you actually need it, when you just need to get those reps in and you just don't have access to a gym. We're continuing. We're just in the getting out of the injury phase, although my knees aren't really injured, knocking on wood. But for my bicep, I really feel that we're making some progress. I'm really feeling we're making some progress with the hamstrings, and hopefully next week we can continue doing the daily twice a day stuff. And then from there on, we're going to only 4 times a week, and then we can use more of the machines and really gauge whether or not we're getting stronger or not. Always 30 seconds, that is the goal. So per set, always 30 seconds. So yeah, that's the protocol. Let me know in the comments down below if you learned something from this video. I also will dive deeper on the mechanism on the tendon because I've learned that also from a video. And I really want to share that with you because I think it really resonates how it works, and maybe you can learn from it as well. I will also list, obviously, my sources. And yeah, let me know if you're also doing this, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!